Hey guys, this is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Emami's Kesh King Ayurvedic Hair Fall Expert Onion Shampoo and Emami Kesh King Ayurvedic Onion Hair Oil. So I'm going to talk about both the products and their benefits and how they worked on me. I have used it for a few days and this is a very unbiased review I'm going to share here. So before I start telling you about these products, I have used onion juice onto my hairs when I was facing extreme hair fall, and I was looking for onion hair oil from a very long time. Then I came across to Kesh King and I found that they make onion shampoo and onion hair oil as well. Both the products are completely chemical free and really helps in reducing hair fall and also improves your hair growth, and it has 21 herbs which helps in improving your hair's texture. I have used onion juice onto my hair, which really helped in improving my hair fall. So I was looking for a hair oil which contains all the goodness of onion, because onion really helped me in reducing the hair fall. Yes, I have used onion juice onto my hairs for a few days, but it is very difficult for us to extract the juice of onion and apply it for hours. We don't get that much of time to do that. So I wanted a product which can I can directly put into my head. These are the products I came across, and I show you in the video that I have used the hair oil and hair shampoo.
No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay.
So if I talk about the hair oil, this is the packaging. This is how it looks like, and I have used it this much, and it really helped me in making my hair soft and silkier. But right now I don't have any hair fall issue as such, but it really made my hair soft and silky and shiny. You can see I have washed my hair right away. So these are the my natural hairs in the natural condition. Okay, so this hair oil contains not only onion but 21 other herbs, which really helps in making your hair fall reduced and also stimulate the hair growth. So this oil contains not only that but all other good ingredients in it, and at the same time the shampoo itself is chemical free, and it has a very good effect. It takes out the oil very nicely and oil doesn't get stuck into your hairs, and the fragrance of the shampoo and the hair oil is really nice. I really like the fragrance of this one. It has a very floral fragrance into it, and the texture is very light. Like when you massage your hairs with the oil, it doesn't feel heavy. It's very light, and it is 100% Ayurvedic. So you can try this hair oil. As of now, this hair oil is very helpful, and I think I will be continuing using it. And right now my hair I have taken a haircut, by the way. By the time you follow me, you will see that how much hair growth will happen in next few months. You can see on this channel if you just subscribe to my channel, if you are a new viewer. So subscribe to my channel, and rest you will know in a few months that how this hair oil works. But I know it will really help me in growing my hair faster. And it when we massage your hairs with oil, really helps in giving you that calm effect. If you have a lot of stress, so if you massage the hair oil into your scalp, it really calms you down, which is very nice. I really like that thing about this hair oil, that it really gives you a very calm effect when you massage it into your hairs, and it's very light. Doesn't feel like you have any oil, you have oiled your hairs. Doesn't feel like. This is my very unbiased review about these two products. I think I'm going to use it until they are finished, and yeah, this is it about this product. And if I talk about the packaging is also very decent. Lip cap it comes with, smells very floral, and at the same time the Oil is also very handy, and it's just you have to tap here and it opens up and then it closes. So the packaging is very decent. I really like the packaging also. I mean, it looks really nice. And the second thing is you can keep it into your cupboard, your wardrobe. Make sure you keep it into a dark place, and cool and dark place. Okay, not in the refrigerator, but something where you keep your other cosmetics. Okay, so give yourself a break. Take a good hair massage with this oil. You can warm it up if you want to. I like to use it this way without warming it up. I just like to use it that way only. It contains onion and it doesn't have the smell of onion, which is the best part of this hair oil and shampoo, that it will not going to smell when you apply it into your hairs, and at the same time it will give you all the benefits. So what else we want? So this is something I really liked. And we all know Keisheng is very old and popular for hair, hair products. So I think it came up with this product, and this is something we can at least try it once to know the results. So it's a very popular brand, and you can go for this one. Like, I won't say that go on my words, but try it on your own. You will like it after you use it. Until we use something, we don't know what the product is like. So go for it. It's really nice. Doesn't make my hairs any bad. I think it only benefited me even. So you can give it a try. It's a good alternative option of onion. So this is really good to use. So give it a try. And yes, this is my very unbiased review of these two products. I want you to try it on your own, and let me know in the comment section how you like this video and what was your experience of using it, if you have used it. My experience was really nice. I think I really like the product. Now tell me, what is your experience of using it in the comment below. And yes, this is it about this video, and please like, share and comment. Also, if you have any suggestion of video, please let me know, and do follow me on my Instagram. The links are given in the description below, and the product links are also given in the description below, so please go check that too. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.